To use Apple Pay in store in the UK, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay, such as an iPhone or Apple Watch. Next, you need to add your credit or debit card to the Wallet app on your device. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and follow the prompts to add your card. You may be asked to verify your card details with your bank. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay in store. To do this, make sure your device is unlocked and the Wallet app is open. Look for the contactless payment terminal at the checkout and hold your device near it. On an iPhone, hold the top of the phone near the terminal, while on an Apple Watch, hold the watch face near the terminal. When you hold your device near the terminal, you will see the payment amount on the screen and a prompt to authenticate the transaction. On an iPhone, you will need to use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authenticate, while on an Apple Watch, you will need to use a passcode. Once you have authenticated, the transaction will be complete and you will see a confirmation on the screen. It is also important to note that you can use Apple Pay with a variety of cards, including credit and debit cards from most major banks. Additionally, you can use Apple Pay to make payments online and in apps, not just in store. To get the most out of Apple Pay, make sure to keep your device and Wallet app up to date, and always keep an eye on your account activity to ensure there are no unauthorized transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Apple Pay in store in the UK with confidence and convenience.